am going to discuss function and sets. In previous video, I have discussed about set. Today I am going to discuss the relation between function and set. Okay? Functions express a relationship. Okay, that is so important in science. Not only science, not only mathematics, but also physics, everything also, every stream also. Okay, function depends on three elements. X equal to input set, Y equal to output set, F is the function that pairs an element x belongs to x to an element y belongs to y. Okay, that means what is function? What is f? What is f? Actually, f is a rules which assign to every element in X to some elements of Y. Have you understood? Okay. That means it is a pairwise. Pairwise. The set xy such that for all x belongs to x, then there exists y belongs to y such that f of x equal to y. Have you understood? And this is the order list. Order list from x to y. Have you understood? Okay. We need an example to understand it better. Set x map set y, and set x let contain the elements 2, 4, 5. Okay, and set y contain the element 10, 20, 15, 25. Okay. In the set, build a relation R equal to set of element AB such that B equal to 5 times A belongs to capital X and B belongs to capital Y. This is the arrow diagram. Let's see the picture. This is X, the element X, the element of X 2, 4, 5, and the element of Y 10, 20, 15, 25. The relation is AB such that B equal to 5 times A. That means 2 related to 10, 4 related to 20, 5 related to 25. The image is 2 goes to 10, 4 goes to 20 and 5 goes to 25. This is the image. Each element of X, one and only image in the set, this is the set Y, in the set Y. So, this is the example of function. Okay. Next, the relation R equal to AB such that B is a multiple of A, where A belongs to X and B belongs to the set Y. X, the member of X is the element 5, 4 and member of Y is the element 15, 20. Look at the picture. This is X, this is Y, this is 5, 4. Here B is multiple of A and this here 15 and 20. Since B is multiple of A, 15 and 20 both are multiple of 5. So 5. This is the image of 5. Since 20 is multiple of 4, that means 4 maps to here. Is the relation qualify a function? Look, the image. The image of 5 map 15 and 20. Okay, have you understood? Since one element is more than one image, here one element, but image of 5 both 15 and 20. Since one element is more than one image, so we can say this Example is not a function. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see other example. Let x equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, set of all elements, and y equal to 10, 20, 25. Let's see the picture. Here x 2, 4, 5, 6. Here y 10, 20, 25. The relation r equal to AB such that B equal to 5 times A, such that A belongs to capital X and B belongs to capital Y. Have you understood? Okay. Since this is the relation, that means 2 maps 10, 4 maps 20, 5 maps 25. Is it function? Is it function? Just think. Here the element 6 has no image. So each element of x does not associate to every element of y. Here 6 lie empty, has no image. So this is not function. That means function assign every element in x to unique element of y. Have you understood? And of course, if f be denote x to y be a function, of course these x and y cannot be different. Those can be also same. In real analysis, more function go from R to R, not only R, from some subset of R to some subset of R. Okay? Have you understood what is the definition of the function? Okay. See you soon. Bye.